It's 6:30 a.m. and we're in Glendale, Arizona. Get ready for my ride. And yes, it really is 93 degrees at 6:30 in the morning, but at least it's cloudy. Oh, I won't be out there when it's 111. But I just love to get out and ride in the morning. Come along with me, I'll show you what I'm looking at. A buttermilk sky. I've always been this way. Always looked at things like this. I think it's part of the reason that I grew up to become an artist, well, graphic designer. Grown-ups really never understood. And then when I started teaching, I realized that a lot of people were seeing the same thing that I saw. They were seeing a beautiful world instead of, well, an unpleasant world, which, unfortunately, most people only see. The degree I got from ASU was a fine arts degree in graphic design. And some of my teachers, they were a little bit weird and couldn't really put things into words. I had one art teacher, one painting teacher who just would just go, ah. And really, that says it all, because there really aren't words for things that make you want to go, ah. I definitely remember that he used to say, if you could describe it, you wouldn't need to paint it. And in a long life, I've found that most people are practical and hard-headed. I call them inchworms, and I would say, how can you just always be measuring the marigolds? Seems to me you'd stop and see how beautiful they are. When I started teaching art classes, I found that there were a lot of people who wanted things to be put in some sort of formula or described a certain way. And I would say, well, just look. It's a real buttermilk sky up there. And look at those palm trees. I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad I get a chance to see this. I always stop for the bus. I'm not in a hurry. There's so much to see. And I like to stop here sometimes and talk a little bit with my friends, the witnesses. They speak Spanish, and we practice Spanish and sometimes some English. Well, we're coming up to Crossroads Plaza. I like to turn in here and go to the McDonald's and get my coffee. It's my first stop after I leave the house. There's that buttermilk sky. Well, thanks for riding along with me this morning. I really do appreciate you coming along with me and sharing my world. See you next time. You take care and keep looking up.